Today we're making this quick and easy dinner recipe. Come on in the kitchen and let's get started. Alright, let's go ahead and make my version of rice and peas. We're going to add some onions, garlic, thyme, and scallions. Give that a stir, allow to go for about 3 minutes to release all of the flavors. And then we're going to come in with some water. We're going to also add some coconut milk. We're going to add some seasoning, give that a stir, cover, and let it come up to a simmer. Next, you're going to add your rice and peas, but I forgot to hit record when I was adding it in, so you didn't see me doing that part. But basically, I added some basmati rice and some pigeon peas, gungo peas, or granules. Cover and let that simmer for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, your rice should be perfectly cooked. I like to cover it, remove it from the heat, and let it sit for 10 minutes before going in and fluffing the rice. So after 10 minutes, I went in and just fluffed that rice, and it was perfect, like I said. Absolutely delicious, and I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption. Now let's move on to the next side. Next, we'll be doing some fried cabbage. So to a skillet, I added garlic, onions, thyme, bell peppers. Give that a stir, allow it to release the flavors, and then in with our cabbage. I'm going to give this a little toss just to make sure that the aromatics don't burn at the bottom. And then we're going to cover this and let it wilt a bit before we fully toss it. Once it wilts, it is now easier to manage. We're going to add some carrots and some seasoning for flavor and taste. Give it a good stir. And this here is the Korean cabbage. So it's a little bit softer in texture than the regular cabbage. So it's not going to take a long time to cook. I will now cover this and let it go for 5 minutes. And that's basically it. It is all done. We can now set this to the side. And now let's prepare our entree. So today I'll be making some seasoned jerk steaks. Here I have 3 ribeye steaks already washed, and I'll be using some wet jerk seasoning, dry jerk seasoning, salt, and steak seasoning. I went ahead and added a little oil to that just to create a paste-like consistency, and then I coated my steak with the marinade. Once that was done, I let it sit for 30 minutes before cooking. Next, we're going to go ahead and cook the steaks. So I like my steaks medium. So I'm going to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. They are thin steaks, so they won't take a long time to cook. Once nice and golden brown on one side, you want to flip it over and just carry on with this process until you're all done. If you like your steaks well done, feel free to cook it for a longer period of time. Here you have it, my version of a quick and easy dinner recipe. Dinner does not have to be complicated. And remember that simple does not mean lack flavor or taste. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think, and I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.